was really tight and I needed to switch balls. And now we're going to slow hook it because Russo's bowling good. And if Russo's bowling good, you don't got to throw it fast. I saw the 10-pin fall on 25 as I was in the middle of my approach. Let go of the ball and I was like, you should have stopped. You idiot. Another good game. Maybe if I just bowl a little better every game, it'll add up to a better score. I get to bowl. I get to call my job. What's not to be pumped about?
Especially those messenger 8s.
Especially those messenger 8s. It could have gone worse. It could have gone worse, but we're still in. So much better. Maybe not 100 out like I usually am. It's a little closer. The question of the day that Kevin asked me was, would you go chocolate milk or Capri Sun if you could only have one? Like forever. The other one. Yeah. If you
Capri Sun.
You go Capri Sun?
For sure.
Chocolate milk. Sunny D, totally different.
Because I had 2 Sunny D's yesterday and then a juice box between.
Staying high energy the whole time.
I think for me would be, I want to say Capri Sun, but I think it would be chocolate milk, just on the sheer fact of the vitamin D.
Which one?
Thank you.
The Yoo-Hoo or the
milk.
Nesquik?
I'm not a Yoo-Hoo person by any means.
We're going Nesquik?
We're team chocolate milk.
If there was
Are we running?
Highland Farms.
Dude, Highland's the best. Are we running this whole debate? Perfect. Because every time I start a debate, people get all upset. but it's chalky milk.
I don't
And I
know.
call it
out.
chalky milk.
I'm coming out with a brown shirt that just says chocolate milk.
No, we need a
Chocolate milk.
two-tone shirt that the front's brown, the back is like a blue, and it's like Capri Sun chocolate milk.
And it's reversible.
And
so
you can wear it either
both
side.
ways.
We are geniuses. Go to thehousebowling.com and
Oh,
buy
how
our
about
shirts.
this?
Much better scores, much better focus, much better idea of what's going on the lane. Just overall much better.
He's a big fan of Packy.
Nice. All right, question everybody wants to know: did you throw the same ball for 12 games?
Nah, I threw a different one the first game because I'm an idiot. I should have. I threw the same ball for like 10 games. That count?
That counts.